Well, hello everyone. I hope that your day is going absolutely amazing whenever this video finds you. If you're new here, hi, hello, my name is Alyssa. It is so nice to meet you. If you are not new here, then I am so glad that you're back. And if you are new here, I hope that you consider subscribing and hanging out and joining me for my videos. So today we are doing a plan with me with a Simply Beautiful Plans kit. It is the April mystery kit, and our mystery kits are always so beautiful and so bountiful. It is another silver kit for me, and I usually don't use a lot of silver kits, but I seem to be using 3 in a row. So I can tell you that next week there will be some rose gold. So I'm very excited for that. I love using Amy's kits. They're kind of a nice little break from those. I use a lot of delicate kits. And her kits are always so bold with beautiful clip art, and the color is always so gorgeous. So it's kind of nice to fall out of like what I normally do and then pop into a beautiful bold kit like this, because they always turn out so gorgeous. And I love the way that her kits turn out when I plan with them, and they're so fun to play with. So I love it. If you are new here, then I will let you know that I do PR for Simply Beautiful Plans. My code is Alyssa, and that gets you 15% off your entire order. And she is in the upcoming Made in Canada collab sale, which is very exciting. If you are American, you can totally shop at this sale too, of course, and you kind of get the added benefit of Canadian prices, which is super, super exciting. So definitely check them out. I will have all the shops I PR for and her shop and my discount code down in the description box below. So I'm just popping on my sidebar. I do have a video coming out next week. It is a haul, and it is quite a long April haul. I do really love that this kit has a gorgeous kind of April-y, purpley vibe. I don't have a lot of purple kits, and I don't know why. I love the color purple. It is a color that I enjoy along with pink, but I don't have a lot of it. When I saw the little box in that little full box up in the corner over there, it's literally what sold me on this kit. It's such a beautiful little box. The tea bags are it for me. And I actually do have one more purple kit coming from Sadie Stickers. It is the Lilac Kit. So I'm excited for you guys to see that, because I don't have a ton of purple and I kind of want to pull in some more purple. So I love this kit. When I was playing with it, I was so excited to play with it, and it was a lot of fun. So yeah, that beautiful little lace there is from Bloom Paper Studio. I think I mentioned that I have a haul coming out, but this sticker set, so these gorgeous lace stickers, are going to be in that haul. So that haul has quite a few shops, and some of them I've never shopped with before, and they're new to me. Some I haven't shopped with for a while, and so definitely make sure you check that out. It is quite a hefty haul, and it is only part of what I got for April. All the stuff I ordered around the PBC sale time will be coming probably here in a couple weeks. So I'll have another kind of mini haul coming, like, I don't know, I want to say mid-May at the very latest. So yeah. All right. So my sidebar is down. A lot of the beautiful embellishments that I'm using throughout this kit are from Letters to Apollo, Simply Beautiful Plans, and Christine's Paper Studio. So make sure that you check those out. I've just popped down a mandala up top, and that is from Honey Inked. And that little small scalloped header just under my full box is from Simply Beautiful Plans as well. I've used them in a number of different spreads lately, and they're always so great. They really break up the kit quite nicely, or the spread quite nicely, which is why I like these little tiny foil embellishments. All right, so this week here I was still in isolation, so half of the week is kind of boring, and then the other half kind of starts to pick up, which is really nice. It was also my exam week, so I was kind of doing a little bit of both. It worked out to be in the same week, but trying to do exams with like brain fog, that's a whole other ball game. So I pulled out these Clever Girl Crafts silver kind of bow flags. I've been hoarding these, ordered these before Christmas, and I've just been sitting on them, and I don't know why, so I figured I may as well pop them out. I also have this sleeping mask from Miss and Meow, just to kind of put down that I slept in that day. I did a lot of sleeping in this week, unfortunately. And then I also have this beautiful lace divider from Simply Beautiful Plans, and I'm just kind of popping down the full box to break it up. And I love these books. They're so cute. I'm also going to pull, you'll see right now, I'm pulling in my favorite Sadie stickers, Bow Divider. I love them. And that's kind of what's been going on. There hasn't been too much. I'm doing well. I have pretty much all of my symptoms are gone. I only have some lasting effects. My cough is still here, but it's kind of few and far between. And it's harder for me to go long distances or walk long distances without my lungs kind of burning a little bit. So I do have some lasting effects, and they said I'll have those for a while. And of course, my taste and my smell are generally gone for the most part. But I did find that ginger shots or juices with ginger in them really help with my taste and smell. I thought I was getting them back, and then I realized I was just having those in the morning. So I've had them back temporarily, but by the end of the night, they're gone, and I wake up with no sense of taste or smell in the morning. So ginger helps. So if you're in the same predicament I am, try a ginger shot. All right. So Monday, I'm marking down with a Panda Bird vine scallop and a honey inked kind of large mandala with a Paper Bits notebook and pencil and Murdoch Talks study script that I studied that day. And I was studying for the exam the next day. I only had 2 exams, my final exams, my management exam this week, and on Thursday I had my governance exam as well. I also have the little botanical and the vine divider from Honey Inked, and that was just to kind of break up that box a little bit. These super gorgeous little, I don't know, string lights are from Sadie Stickers, or String Sparkle Garland, string lights, kind of both to me. Those are from Sadie Stickers, and they're kind of a little sneak peek. I got them in my most recent order from her, and that'll be in the haul on Tuesday. So make sure that you check that out. I have another little honey inked botanical and a Pop Fox and Pip Girl, and that is just to mark off that I had a little bit of me time that evening, did a face mask, hung out, just kind of enjoyed it. Paper Bits, before I forget, I've got a couple of stickers already down from her. I do PR for her as well. My code is Alyssa15, and that gets you 15% off your entire order, and is lovely to order from. She's so fun, and all the shops, I say this every video, all the shops I PR for they're all so amazing. I'm very, very fortunate. And so make sure you check her out. She is also in the upcoming Made in Collab sale, just like Simply Beautiful Plans. So definitely check them out. I'm just laying down this Panda Bird scallop under some florals from the kit. And that is just to mark off that I had my management exam that day. And I did very well. I'm very proud of myself. I got a 98 on that exam, and 98, not a 90, a 98 on that exam. And I'm quite happy. I walked away with a high 90s mark in that entire program. So I guess I'd make a really good manager, but I'm very excited. I mean, it means something well to me considering I'm in a coordinating course, but yeah. And this is my final week of my program. And so as of now, I'm officially getting set to graduate. I am ready. My convocation is June, mid to late June, I believe. And that's kind of it for me. I am starting my kind of little home stretch with the university. It's just for a year, and that turns my diploma into a degree, and gives me a concentration in gerontology. And I'm taking some really cool classes. I was initially taking some more health related classes, but I got some more gerontology classes in there. Before I tell you about those classes, I'm going to tell you about what's going on the screen. Another beautiful lace from Bloom Paper Studio. That hanging box is from the Giving Girl. I kind of have been hoarding some of them. I got these in my most recent order. Another little sneak peek to next week's little haul. They use not little, it's the haul. It's a big haul. And I did get a Giving Girl order, and that is where that is from. And it's purple with daisies, and it's perfect. So I use that. Another little YouTube thing from Paper Bits Co. And then this little circle with the bow is from Pretty Pinko, and the botanical is from Simply Beautiful Plans. Another little garland and a small mandala from Honey Inked. So courses, I know a lot of you guys have asked why I'm going to gerontology. I get a lot of those questions on Instagram, why I chose that field. I love the field. It's such a great field. I'm so excited. I'm actually back to work tomorrow, and I'm so happy. And the courses I was taking was public health and epidemiology. I was taking just like an English and writing course, an Indigenous study course, and I was taking an alternative medicine course. It's a PhD course, but I was interested in it, but they put in 2 gerontology courses. So instead of the public health and the alternative medicine, I might take those at a later date. I am taking, what would I taking? I'm taking end of life care and dementia care. So, and I'm very excited for both of those. I have, my specialty is dementia and Alzheimer's. That seems to be where a lot of my knowledge kind of lies. And I've had a lot of years of working with, and being, my grandmother had dementia. So it's not something that's new to me. So I'm very excited to start this semester. So up top, that box is also from Pretty Pink Co., the mandala from Honey Inked. And again, the notebook and the study script is from Murdoch Talks, and the notebook is from Paper Bits. And then the little mask for washing my masks is from White Deer Stationery. I have an order coming from her. And then the wash mask script is also from, Murdoch Talks. And then the shaker bottle is from Crafts by Towie. The squiggle is from Alyssa Craft Shop. And this little edit icon is from Crafts by Towie as well. And the pillow that I'm kind of using as a square is from Miss and Meow. It makes a really cute little square. And that was just to mark off that I edited videos. And the shaker bottle was to mark off that I ordered juices that day. I love Greenhouse juices. They have such a variety. And that is why my smell started to come back. It's because I also ordered ginger shots from them and a lot of like the Wingman juices. And I have the pharmacy juices, which have cayenne in it, and fermented lemongrass. So yeah, I ordered my juices and I thought that my smell and my taste was coming back, but it was not. I was only fooling myself apparently, or playing with myself really, having those darn shots. So that's it. So Thursday was my final exam. I was finally done. It was really lovely. I have that cute little tea girl again from Paper Bits, and that was just to mark off that I had my final exam, my governance exam, and it's governance in seniors. So it was a very interesting course. I did very well on that one too. The little divider there is from Honey Inked. I also used it on Wednesday. And then I threw in a large botanical from Christine's Paper Studio under the quarter box there. And the little nail thing there is from Planting Roses. And that was just because I did my nails that day. I was feeling like myself that day. It was also my final day, or my day out of isolation was that day as well. The Thursday I was officially out of isolation. Asked me if I went anywhere. No, I just stayed inside. I even called them to make sure I could go out and go grocery shopping. And I was like, I'm just going to leave it until Friday. We'll just give it one more day, just to be on the safe side. So yeah, at the bottom, right where I am working, I have that really pretty little floral script or floral from Christine's Paper Studio. And then that, it looks like a podcast thing, but I use it for my voiceovers, is from Crafts by Towie again. And then the squiggle again is from Alyssa Craft Shop. And then I'm just grabbing this cute little flag from Clever Girl Crafts again. And then another little botanical and a Fox and Pip mask girl, just to write down that I had me time. I wanted to get myself ready and presentable for Friday because I had been isolated for 2 weeks at this point, and I was ready to see the world. On Friday, and by this time, by the way, Monday, Tuesday, I was feeling fine. I was feeling good. I was feeling a lot better. By Thursday, I was at like 95%, and that's when they told me that my lasting effects would probably be with me for a while. So I'm as good as I'm going to get for a while. On Friday, I cleaned because it was my day out. I wanted to disinfect and just make sure everything was safe and that people could come in the room again and have it be safe, because only some of our family members caught it. Half of them came back negative and continuously came back negative. Everyone's done now and they're still coming back negative. So it looks like that they are good. No one has any symptoms. We are actually all free as of today, which is lovely. I have another Bloom Studio lace under a quarter box. That bear in that little grocery thing is from Paper Bits as well. And I ran over to Longo's in Whole Foods. Actually, Nathan and I went to Longo's in Whole Foods, and we kind of picked up the stuff that I hadn't been able to get in the last couple weeks. A lot of like my vegan gluten-free stuff I can't find in all places. I kind of can only find them at Whole Foods. So I've been holding off, and I finally went and grabbed them. I grabbed some of my favorite. I have these kale crackers that I absolutely love. And then like a little spread and dip that I love. They have a really good gluten-free vegan like buffalo cauliflower thing, some gluten-free egg rolls, like just little things that I could keep throughout the week. I picked those up as well. By the way, I use the panda bird little vines up there with the honey inked mandala as well, but we've seen that before. All right, and then I'm also marking off that I was editing. That day I was editing, what was I editing? I was editing my video for Tuesday that actually just came out. So it's, by the time you see this, it'll already have been out. That was just a flip through of my April and January to April monthlies. And I use a Simply Beautiful Plans little kind of scallop circle with a Crafts by Towie edit sticker. And then I used another honey inked lace divider. And then below that, I wrote that it was wax time. Mostly because I have a dermatologist appointment coming up in a week, and I have a eczema, and it's been really bad under my underarms, and we can't figure out why. My doctor is kind of out of things. We're thinking it might be diet related, so I'm gonna go see the dermatologist just to see what's going on. And I thought it would probably be kind if I waxed, which I feel like that's, you don't need to know that, but sorry. But yeah, so I use a Craft by Towie little like wax thing for that. And then on Saturday, my yoga studio that I energy exchanged for put on a 50-minute flow and a social justice summit that we all zoomed in and had conversation, and we're really deep in a fantastic talk about social justice in all different facets. So it was really interesting and I really enjoyed it, and it was great. And I'm hoping that hopefully in the near future we can also open the studio. That's what I was very excited for as well. So it was nice to kind of get back in touch with that. Not gonna lie, yoga with my lungs was a little rough. So I did have to take quite a few breaks, more than I normally take, but it was a really good afternoon. That just kind of ran for the afternoon. And then I did a little bit of laundry that day, and my video went live as well. So that little YouTube bow icon is from Crafts by Towie. And I also baked my favorite cookies that day. And the yoga bear is also from Paper Bits. The rest of the stuff that I use, you've seen throughout the entire spread. So let me know if you have any more questions. Oh, that laundry basket is from Simply Beautiful Plans as well. And then on Sunday, I tidied. We went to a grocery run. I had a very awful experience at the grocery store, unfortunately. That kind of set my day off. So you're going to see me put a little emotional AF script there because it really kind of hit me. If you follow me and you saw my stories that day, you'll know exactly what I'm talking about. And it really sucked. I won't go into details here, but yeah, it really sucked. That script is from Letters to Apollo, by the way, the grocery bag that you're about to see in a minute. And although it's there, and the little bear and the cleaning bear are all from Paper Bits. The little mandala behind the cleaning bear is from Honey Inked, and the tidy script is from Simply Beautiful Plans. And then I have another mandala behind the page flag where it says Emotional AF. And then in that evening, or during the evening, I filmed my plan with me, which is what you're seeing now. I did some laundry and sorted my laundry, and then I also sorted my stickers. I did a little sticker sort that night. And that beautiful hanging sticker is from The Giving Girl, and I love it so, so much. So that is that. That is my week. It's my last week of isolation for half week, so next week it kind of really gets to pick up. I've got a lot more stuff that I'm doing, which is this week that I'm kind of doing the voiceover. And I'm excited for you to see my next plan with me because I'm back to work and I have a whole bunch of different stuff going on. So yeah, that is that. Have an amazing time, guys. I hope you stay safe, and I will see you so, so soon. See you Tuesday for the haul. Have a good one. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.